Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini on low-end smartphones. So guys, to use Gemini on low-end smartphones, you just need the Google app installed and updated. Gemini runs through the Google app, so you don't need a separate heavy app. Keep your device's storage clean and update Android Web View and Google Play services for a smoother performance. And also turn off background apps to save RAM. Use light mode if available, or keep responses short to reduce load. Also avoid voice or image tags if your phone lags. Stick to text prompts. In short, even budget phones can run Gemini well with some smart adjustments. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.